Hi, I'm Robin Barron from Robin Barron Design. A year ago, would you have thought that we'd be talking about an entire room dedicated to Zoom and video conferencing? I know I wouldn't have. When designing your Zoom room, think about how you're going to use the space. What are the key words today? Flexibility, because we never know how we're going to use our home or the rooms in our home. The other thing is sustainability, because we need to for the planet, and wellness, because we're spending more time in our home. It's really important for me to have thought about and for you to bring consciousness to how you're going to use the room. Are you going to use it for business, for pleasure, for talking to your friends, connecting with your family, or all of the above? When designing your Zoom room, think about how you're going to use the space and make sure you've accommodated all those different kinds of ways you're going to be talking to people. It's important to think about what colors do you look good in. You want to be camera ready, right? You want to be able to look your best when you're on film and on camera and talking to people, whether it's personal, family, or business. The other thing to think about is your lighting. Never forget your lighting. You want to prevent shadows, so multi-directional lighting is really important. The most important thing that we learned this year about Zoom calls is that we are exposing more of ourselves, sharing more of ourselves than we typically have before. So think about what you want to share and what you want people to see, and design your space so that you reflect that. I am Robin Barron, and remember, confidence begins at home.